हेलो फ्रेंड, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल सिविल इंजीनियरिंग विद तारिक। तो फ्रेंड, आज का जो मेरा टॉपिक है वो है स्पेसिफिकेशन फॉर अ कस्टम वार्डरोब प्रोजेक्ट। When design a custom wardrobe for a carpenter or interior designer, key specification include overall dimension, that is height, width, depth, choice of material, that is plywood, MDF, laminate finishes, internal layout, hanging section, drawers, shelves, shoes racks, door type, hinged, sliding or folding, hardware, preferences, soft close hinges, handles, locks and aesthetic, detail like color, finish and lighting. Functional needs such as ventilation, built-in mirror, and modular accessories should also be clearly outlined to ensure a wardrobe that matches both the space and the user lifestyle. Thank you very much for watching me. We will meet very soon in the next video. Thank you.